chicken. Do you like walking on the carpet? Hey, give me your binky. Throw your binky on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Now let's go this way. Come on. Xander.
Boing.
Binky on the ground. Throw your binky on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground.
Back up. There we go. There's my boy.
Here, give me your binky. Give me your bink. Give me your bink. Okay, come on. Come on, back this way. Back this way. Come on.
Whoa! Back up, Bubba. Back up. There we go. There we go. Whoa! Back up. Let's go. It's that last foot.
Yay! Yay! You want to do it again?
Oh yeah, look at him. He wants back out.
Run, 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 run.
I'm a walking kind of guy. Ooh, carpeting. Oh, brave move.
Good job. Yeah.
It's those transitions, Bubba. It's always the transitions. Back up, my man. Yeah. Hi. Back for more.
Did you see how he pivots on his
Yeah. Okay, watch this. Yay, Xander! The only time I've ever seen him lie on his tummy. Wow. Oh, back up. Okay.
Oh. Nice recovery. Yeah. Yeah.
Tag. Xander, that's right. Boom. Okay, Z, say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, bye-bye.